All right. Hey, Kenny, what you got there? You said I made it. I made a truck. Good job. Kenny, you made a truck? What'd you make? Oh, Lightning McQueen in front of the truck. Lightning McQueen in front of the truck.
Hey, I did it!
Yay, I did it. Yeah. Yay, I did it. Good job. Yeah. You made a truck. Steak and Shake. Advertising for Steak and Shake, Kenny. Put you in commercials. You always got something going on in our videos. All right, I see you. Hey. All right, you made a truck with your Legos? Say this is my birthday present. Yeah. My birthday was September 1st. So this is my birthday present. And I made a truck. While drinking Steak and Shake. Hi, Morgan. You're up. Morgan Allen's woke. Yeah, we got some for you. Okay. Turn it off. Mommy's leaving. Say, see you, Mommy. All right. Uh-oh, Kenny, don't turn it. Don't waste it. Pull it down. Here. Pull it down. All right. And get some Sprite after that long day's work of making the truck. All right. That's it. Okay. All right. Kenny's truck. And turn it around so they can see. You made a truck. You made a truck. Good job. Yeah. All right. Great job, Kenny. Okay.